Hello everyone, welcome to AI Tutorials. If you are new to this video series, please subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Then only you will get notified for each video upload. In this video, we are going to learn about the row operation. Let's print the data frame. This is the existing data frame. Here, my name, all the respective values. For that, print frame dot loc. If you execute from a very big huge data just by mentioning loc method and its index value, we can filter that particular value and display it in the output. For column you have to mention that df column name. For row you have to mention the respective index value. Same way we can also add the rows using the append function. Implement the append function. We have two scenarios for appending the data frame. One is with the same shape, another one is with the different shape. So data frame with same shape. Data frame 1 is created using the dictionary variable concept. Already we used this example. Same one, and the shape is 5 rows 2 column. One more data frame df2, adding a name Satish and its max mark. Let's execute and see the output. 0 Satish 85, 1 row 2 column. Here the shape is same, that is we have the same column names. How to append the data is very easy. Data frame 1 dot append data frame 2. That's it. Just see the output. Satish value appended to the existing data frame and it is added to the bottom of the data frame. Example, I want a proper indexing, not like this, then you can ignore the index number. So additional parameter d1 data frame 1 dot append data frame 2 ignore underscore index equal to true. See the output, it starts from 0 till 5. Initially it was like 0 and 0, but when we made ignore index as true, the output will look like this. Now we will see the data frame with different shape, that is number of columns in the both data frames are different. Same example, 5 comma 2 data frame 1. In the data frame 2, for Satish I am adding one more column called physics. Here the shape is different. Here only 2 columns, 5 comma 2, here 3 columns. So the shape is different. Good part about Pandas is it will not throw the error. Just see what happens. Data frame 1 dot append data frame 2. So when we execute, so it added an additional column physics marks and value is 90. For others the value is filled by NaN. That's what mentioned here. For the non-existing value in one of the data frame will be filled with NaN values. So it will not throw the error. And if you don't want this indexing, just ignore the index and see the output. It will have a proper indexing numbers. Now how to delete the rows? What you can do is df3 equal to, you can make that as a data frame 3. If you do like this, it's a new data frame is created. In df3, this particular line will append the data frame 2 to the data frame 1. But when you assign to another variable, a new data frame will be created and variable name is df3. If we execute that df3, so the same output we will get it here. Now how to delete a particular row? In order to delete, we have to use the drop command equal to df3 dot drop. Mention the index number. Maybe I will mention number 3 so that Vinod will be removed. Print df3. See here, there is no more Vinod in the data frame. The index number 3 is removed from the existing data frame. Let's do a short recap. In order to select the row, you have to use loc method and mention the index value. In order to add the row, There is a two way, one using same shape, another one is with different shape. So you have to use the append method to add a particular row to the existing data frame. You have to create two data frame and append it. And if it is a different shape, then the value will be filled with NaN for non-existing value. Then in order to delete a particular row, we use the drop method. Inside that you have to pass the index number. Hope you got a clear idea how to create the data frames and do the operations in rows and columns. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.